In this video, we'll show you how to close a BBVA account directly from the app, step by step. The first thing we need to do is open the BBVA app and sign in with our account details. Once we're inside, we'll select the account we want to close. Before requesting the closure, it's important to make sure that we don't have any pending payments, bills, transfers, or other transactions, and that there are no outstanding balances on the account. If we still have money in the account, we'll need to transfer it to another bank account before continuing. Next, we'll open the account options or settings and look for the option related to closing or canceling the account. Once we've requested the closure, we'll follow the instructions shown on the screen and confirm our decision. Depending on the type of account and our individual situation, BBVA may require an additional step to complete the process. It's also a good idea to save any confirmation or proof of account closure provided by the bank, in case we need to prove later that the account has been closed. Once the process is completed, the account will be closed according to BBVA's applicable terms and processing times. And that's it. As you can see, closing a BBVA account can be a fairly simple process as long as there are no pending transactions. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and leave a like for more step-by-step tutorials.